How to see sent friend request on Facebook. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate on how to check the friend request you have sent on Facebook. Now let's dive right into the tutorial. It's fascinating to discover the individuals to whom you have sent friend requests but have not accepted them yet. I'll guide you on how to accomplish this. Firstly, navigate to the top right of the Facebook and tap on the menu button. Subsequently, you will be directed to the Facebook menu. If you're using an Android device, you might need to tap on the menu button located at the top right corner. Then scroll down until you locate the Find Friends option and tap on it. You might be confused thinking that these are not the people you have sent friend requests to. No worries, proceed to the top and select the request option. You might be viewing friend requests you've received, not the ones you have sent. To view the friend request you have sent, navigate to the top right corner and tap on the three dots. Subsequently, click on View Sent Request. This action will display a list of the friend requests you have sent but are pending acceptance by the recipients. That's all, folks. This is how you can exactly see the sent friend request on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.